In this video, I'm going to be talking about 8 free dating sites that you need right now. The first one on my list is Aries Dating site. As you can see here, Aries Dating is absolutely free. Now, if you want to create an account, you're going to click on register new account. The reason why I did not continue this is because I am not allowed to access this dating site. So if you want to access the dating site, you have to be inside a country that is allowed to access the dating site. After you filled up everything, you're just going to click on register. You understand? So once you click on register, it's going to take you into the next page. And I like this dating site because it is 100% free, but it is not as free as the number 2 dating site I'm going to show you. Let's move on to number 2. The second dating site is Fusion 101 Christian Singles. Now, this free dating site, you can see, is 100% free. Now, none of this is financial advice, so do your own research before you register or sign up to any of these dating sites. One thing about this dating site is that there are a lot of people on this dating site, but the problem is usually signing up. Like, to sign up, the interface is not so great, because whenever I'm looking at the interface this way, it's not looking like somewhere I can sign up. Even if I click on this lost login, it's going to take me to the next page, and this next page I'm going to be confused. I'm going to be like, where do I even sign up on this dating site? So that's the problem I have with this dating site. Is not straightforward and the UI is not so good. So we're going to go into the third one. Okay, the third one has more people and it also looks better than this one. So I'm going to show you guys the third one right now. Let's move into the third free dating site. Alright guys, this is the third free dating site, and the third free dating site is uniformdating.com. Now, the uniform dating site is a free dating site, and one thing I like about it is that if you look over here, you can date a soldier, you can date anybody, a pilot, anybody at all that you want to date. Now, as I said, none of this is financial advice, so also do your own research. Now, there are a lot of people on these dating sites, as I've seen, and I've met a lot of people that I fell in love with on this dating site. If you want to register on this dating site, you can see the I'm new button. You're just going to click on the I'm new button, and then you're going to fill up this particular page of the dating site. Now, as I said, all this is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Also do your own research to know whether these dating sites require any of your information, so you make your own informed decision. Alright guys, let's move on to the fourth free dating site. Alright, so the fourth free dating site is called Linkupcid.com, and one thing I like about this dating site is that there are a lot of people here. They even have an application that you can download and start dating. Now, if you want to register, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to fill in your info. As you can see, you're going to fill in your information. Now, you can see a lot of people on this dating site. So if you are looking for love, you're looking for a relationship from anywhere around the world, you can come over to this dating site. It is 100% free. You can see different people that are registering on the dating site. Now, if you want to register and create an account on this dating site, you're going to click on the register button. Then you're going to come and click on register now. Then you're going to create an account over here. So this is the fourth free dating site on my list. There are a lot of people here and it's very, very good. But as I said, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Alright, let's move on to the fifth free dating site. Alright guys, so the fifth free dating site is actually a Canadian dating site, and if you look at it over here, you can see that it has a lot of people. So if you are looking for a relationship, this is the best free Canadian dating site I have seen so far. There are a lot of people here, but you also have to be careful so that they don't scam you. You can see that there are a lot of white people at this page over here. Now, the problem I have with it is that it is packed with ads, so you're going to be seeing some ads from time to time. But this dating site is free if you are looking for somebody in Canada to have a relationship with. Now, if you want to sign up to the dating site, you're going to click on sign up, and when you click on sign up, you're going to come here and create an account. Now, if you are enjoying this video, by the way, a subscription to this channel and a like on this video will be appreciated, as to make these videos always takes time, because I also do a lot of research. Alright guys, let's move on to the sixth free dating site. Alright guys, this is the 6th free dating site. Now I know that not everybody is interested in Canadians, so this one is for people based in the United States. So this is what I call MichiganOnlinePersonals.com. Now if I scroll down, you can see everything about this dating site. Now one thing I like about this dating site is that the UI is very straightforward, and to sign up is not even hard. You're just going to click on meet singles and it's going to take you to where you're going to start signing up. Now if I want to sign up, it's very simple. I'm just going to say male, I'm going to say next, and I'm going to say I'm looking for a female, and I'm going to say next, and then I'm going to start filling up the remaining information. This dating site to me is like the best free USA dating site, where you can meet people that are in Michigan, United States. Now if you want to sign up on this dating site, follow the same process I'm following and you'll be done with this particular dating site. But now we have to move on to the 7th free dating site. Alright, this is the 7th free dating site, and one thing I like about this is that it is a free Christian dating site. You can see it has been up since 2000. That is over 20 years of being in use. Now you can see the dating site, you can see how everything is, you can see how professional it looks. Now if you want to register on the dating site, you're going to scroll up here, then you're going to click on sign up. Now because this video is short, I cannot sign up, but you can see the dating site. You can see how good this dating site is. There are a lot of people on this dating site, especially Christians, because I love Christians. They pray a lot. So this is one of the dating sites I found my relationship that I'm in right now. So this dating site is very good. Check this dating site out, as it is the 7th free dating site on my list. Alright guys, welcome to the 8th free dating site on my list, F Dating. Now you guys can see fdating.com. This dating site, I love this dating site. It is straight to the point. Like you can see there are people already on the dating site. Now one thing I don't like though is that there are a lot of scammers here. One of my friends got scammed of $10,000 and I don't like it, but there are a lot of people here, and if you can open your eyes and look for a relationship, you're going to come across a lot of people. And in order to sign up or sign in, you cannot even stress yourself. You can see this sign in with Google. You can just click on it and sign in with your Google account. Now note, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Do your own research before you even sign up for any of these dating sites, because anything that is free also has its reasons. Now if I scroll down, you can see different people that are on these dating sites. You can see how good and impressive this dating site looks. Now this dating site is very good, but I'm going to give you guys more dating sites in this video over here. And if you want to learn how to make a fake video call and prank your friends, watch this video over here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.